to a new travel vlog. If you watched the previous video, I am still here in Croatia, in Bol, on the island Brac. And today is Thursday, so we actually don't have so many days left here. But I thought I'd take you with me and show you a bit what I'm doing all day long here. Today is quite a gloomy day. It started quite fine with like a lot of sun, but now it actually looks like it's raining. We're gonna just check it out very soon. But we ate lunch at a very special place. It's a restaurant right next to the beach, in like a kind of a little bay, and we had no idea that there was a restaurant. Elisa was on her stand-up paddling board and she found it like from the sea, and it was so nice. I will show you some footage of it now. So Elisa had like I think it was prawns with pumpkin and gnocchi and kind of a really nice sauce. It was really tasty, and I just had like a bolognese. But I'm definitely gonna try that tomorrow because this was so good, what she had. And it was just a very beautiful view. Obviously we could see already behind us that it got darker and darker, and yeah, now in my hotel room, taking a little break. I guess I will actually go and take a shower because we are going on a boat trip today, and the question is what's going to happen, because it looks like it's going to rain until 7, and I think the boat trip starts at 7, so we'll see. But let's take a look outside. It's the next day, and yeah, boat trip wasn't completely what I liked, probably. The boat just went here to the monastery, which was nice to see like how our hotel looks like from the sea, and then we went into the other direction, to the Golden Cape. But we didn't get further than that, and I had thought that we would see a lot more because it was like a 3-hour boat trip, but we were staying most of the time, and yeah, the food was really good. We had like 3 different options. You could have vegetarian, fish, or meat, and everyone said actually that it was really good, and I agree on that. I felt a bit blue at one point. Yeah, it's the quirk of being a highly sensitive person. Sometimes there's kind of like party, there was rain, there's a lot of people talking. Sometimes I just kind of like shut down, and then it gets really tricky for me because I'm not able to keep a lot of conversations. In this situation, mostly I can just listen to something, so I have to talk to people I already know, or somebody who is kind of like very talkative, and I just can join and just listen to that. And I didn't feel that there at that moment, and yeah, I got a bit sad and a little bit overwhelmed and cried a bit when I came home. It's sometimes really hard because you want to party and you want to have fun, and then you're so overstimulated that you just, it feels like when you turn on your computer, like an old computer where it says, oh, we have an update, and it stays at 34% and it just doesn't go up or down or anything. And that's like how it felt. You can still talk a bit and you still can do a little bit things, but you're not at your 100% capacity, and sometimes that feels a bit lonely. So yeah, and today I definitely feel a bit more blue. It's the last day, which I always feel a bit overwhelmed by, and a bit sad when things end. And I mean, it's absolutely beautiful here, and I'm really happy I came, and I know it's part of it. And there's beauty in feeling deeply, and it can be challenging sometimes, and today is a day like that. But I do feel better already, even though I look like I'm gonna cry again. What a wonderful day. Last day here. We just were chilling at the beach all day long. We were just chilling at the terrace all day long, and I swam quite a lot and tried my pool noodle workout, and yeah, it was so much fun. But we're getting ready now. Maybe we can go for a walk to Bol later, and then we will have our farewell evening tonight with a barbecue. Really looking forward to that. Yeah, I guess I have to take a shower now. Time to go home. Elisa has already checked out of the room, and yeah, I'm almost ready. Just have to pack the last things, and then we're going to Split, which is the next stop, which I'm looking forward to, but I'm also a bit sad. It's always a bit sad to leave, but with a lovely breakfast with everyone, saying goodbye to everyone, and yeah. Let's get ready, let's check out.